Today's featured car/pickup truck is a 1972 Chevrolet El Camino SS. And I'll read from the seller's comments that he had at the auction. And he stated, 1972 Chevrolet El Camino SS, frame-off restoration, photo journal of process includes 100 photos, period correct 350 engine, and turbohydromatic 350 transmission, factory air conditioning, posi rear end, starts, runs, and tracks excellent. And it shows 427 miles. And a lot of times when they restore the car, they restore the dash, they set the odometer back to 0, which is probably what happened on this one. And it sold for $26,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a beauty in Placer Gold, I believe is the color they call it, in 1972 for the Chevys. For Buicks, they called it Cortez Gold. But as far as the El Caminos went, this one was part of the third generation, which was 1968 through 1972. So it was really the last year for that generation. Then they went to the bigger, rounder ones. And production number-wise, they sold 57,147 El Caminos in 1972. And of that number, 24,946 had the RPO Z15 option, which was the Super Sport option. RPO standing for a regular production option, and it was Z15. And of those, 5,333 were the big block, the SS454 models. So about 19,600 roughly were small block ones. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.